What? Yep, that's me. I guess you're probably wondering how I got here. Well, it's a long story. But first, I need to complain about my Wi-Fi. Oh my god, no. Wi-Fi. Fuck. I'm home alone! There are 2 devices connected to the fucking internet! How am I lagging? Dude, I'm stuck. Dude, can I go up the stairs, man? Fucking hell! Get up! Dude. I can't. And then the last, like, week, out of nowhere, I just can't fucking play the game. And look, 15, yeah? 15. 200! As I'm saying it, it goes to 200. And back to oh! And I'm stuck. And I'm stuck. 56! My ass! 2,000! Oh no, if I repel... Can I... I'm gonna get a headache from all this screaming, bro. Oh my god, please! Please, just get to the wall! Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh, I like that. No? Did I like out? Did I like out? Am I finally gonna...
Diffuser in spawn?
Can I finally...
Why is diffuser...
Can I move?! Oh, I'll heal you.
Dude, I keep shooting things.
Mike. I think I like that. Oh, no. Can I reload? I like that. No, what?
Fuck.
How did he get there so fast, man? He didn't even hit my head! What?
He pushed right side.
I'm lagging so bad, I'm so sorry.
Oh yeah, I see. Don't worry about it.
Man, I didn't hit her once.
Don't worry about that.
On my screen, I put half my magazine in her. I thought I downed her.
That perspicacity plus my cum makes me invincible. I am Andrew Tate. What color is your Bugatti?
Oh, you're dead.
You are not gonna tell me that wasn't her head.
I am. It was not her head.
What does the map do?
It's a great question, Mike. I don't care. Because watch this. Alright. They don't expect this. They don't expect this. Watch.
This map.
Kamali bit.
Salam alaikum.
Adod ana Kamali.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Adod Ali bit.
Привет.
He wants alibi.
Oh, that's what he's saying.
Oh my days, fam.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Top G. Fuck it, let's just go. Go. Just go.
Stop
Let's go.
baiting me. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Who the fuck just made that sound?
No, bro. I burped this phone.
Oh.
No, she just did it before me.
You don't expect two of you.
They don't suspect the double. Dude, Sammy, I genuinely apologize. I don't know why that's I got kind of caught up in a moment. I actually feel bad too because I couldn't rest.
Is this geek above me? He was.
Put me in, coach. Okay. There was a Syria gate on
Yeah, I
there.
went into the wrong thing.
Oh, behind me, GP, behind me, GP, right now, GP, turn the fuck around, pushing you. Go plant that shit like it's your seed.
No, Kaid.
Where's Kaid?
He's below mirror.
Where's Kaid?
He's below mirror. Do we all just go fucking shotguns, please?
Yes.
Buggers.
What
Yeah.
the fuck are you on M870?
Why not? What?
MP7's good.
So is the 870.
Ass.
No, it's not. Your ass.
But it's not that good, fam. There's so many better shotties.
Don't be in the hole. On the 9.
She might be on site already. I don't know.
No one's on site, by the way.
I think I was near it though. Like really.
What's on 90?
The fuck?
What the fuck? No, behind.
What? Where? No! Behind where?
Defuse. Ah,
Oh, you lost
fuck.
one left.
What did you say about the MA70?
That is ass.
Okay. You just got one side of it.
Wait, am I fucking genius? Am I Bob Marley? Or what's his name? E.T. Marley.
He just got Bob Marley! No, bro. Am I Marley? Which one?
I'm not bidding. Oh! There's no way he just pre-fired that and fucking headshot me.
You said you'd bait me, I baited you by accident.
Nice, buddy.
I'm on for an ace.
There's so many cams on this map. You ever see that?
Saving KD. Ace.
Fuck!
No, I just.
What the fuck? I saw his head.
I'm kind of stuck here.
Ibana's in.
Nah, JP. What was that? What that? You just looked away from her, bro.
Siege timing.
GG easy.
No, we already won though.
Do something, dumbass. Fucking standing up.
Oh!
Holy fuck.
Shut up, Peter. Nah, this is so free! What
No,
the
we already won, I told you!
I am so good at this game! I am so good at this game! This Wi-Fi, oh my... Mike,
I
my
would sell that
strat,
shit
my
too.
strat is so big brain.
What is
My,
this drone
my
trying to
brain's
do?
erect.
JP?
Yep.
I think that's called a brain hemorrhage. It's always me, dude! It's always me!
I'm chasing him.
You gotta, JP, you gotta hit them with
I'm chasing him.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. Alright, bro. Why you orange and shit, though?
Cause Yubi don't like me. You need to leave your current party. I'm not in a party, Ubisoft! Does it fucking look like I'm in one?
You have such a nice voice.
Personally, I am very fond of strawberries and cream. But I have found that for...
No, I already know this. You're gonna go in. You're gonna live. I'm not. I need you to cover in that. Because I know I'm the one that's gonna die from this. No! What did I say? What did I say? No! What did I say? No, I can't.
Anyway.
Bolo's
Nice,
dead.
nice,
Thank
nice.
fuck. Throne is mine.
Nice.
The only thing above me now is big brolic black dudes coming on my face.